Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, your voice is not coming.
Can you hear? Oshul?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, 11, 16, 16.
मैम उस माइक से फिर आवाज आ रहा था.
अभी आ रहा है?
मैम बहुत कम आ रहा है.
अभी नहीं आ रहा है आवाज?
बहुत कम आ रहा है.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hey, you are going to sit there only.
अभी आ रहा है?
हाँ मैम.
तो इसका है चार्जिंग, आवाज आ रहा है?
Hello? Can you hear? Yeah. This is solving is done, all of you? Why it is not solved? Achha. Break is over now. Both order. This minus half we take, minus half take to the other side, half is equal to 250 upon x minus 250 upon x plus 25. Who is that? X250. Multiply 250x minus 6250. Sorry, not plus. Minus 250x. These two are cancelled. Okay. That is equal to the x square plus 25 and is equal to 12,500. X square plus 25x minus 12,500. Is it the equation you are getting? 100 and 25, no? 1. Got it, no?
Yes.
125 into 100. Gee. This factorization still problem now. You had, who said very easy? Who is that guy? Aryan said very easy. Okay. Rudra, got the answer? Why you are not doing? So x is equal to, so number of children is equal to how much? 100. So 25. Yes, Janvi, you did not do any sum on the board now? When I called you, you did not explain only. I called Sophie, then I will do karke. Then Sophie also said let him do. Chapter over. So you'll give us the options in a one by one interview. And what she's talking? Not talking. Okay. In your school, which chapter is going on? Quadratic is going on. Done.
Similarities.
All of you stand up, similar people. All of you, those completed, no? So did you write the answer? What is the X square plus? Write fast. Sit down, complete it fast. Complete it. You all are completed the work. Mehul, you are done. Done.
Ratio.
These are the chapters for the term one. This over. Ratio. Reminder.
Reminder.
3. AP. English. When is the exam? When is your exam? And the unit is there? 3rd June. Which are chapters? That is done all. Mehul, I am waiting for you. Rudra, pass your notebook. Just pass your notebook. That is the answer. Whatever I write on the board, that only. Beyond that, you will not write down. What is X? Abe. What is it, Abe? So then who will write that on? Even if not even a single question you have written that one, what is the value of X? Word problems everywhere. Even half of the thing. Here, Rudra, come here. Your book is incomplete. What is it? Where is the answer? Iska. Huh? Where is the answer of this one? 38. Question number who will write? Where is it? This is also homework, part of homework. No? This is homework question.
Which did it on the board?
8x. 8x plus 1. Where is the homework you done?
6.3, 6.4.
Where is the chapter 5 done? 5.
5.15.
5.345.
Sir, only 3 and 4 is there. I will do it today.
This is all everyday stories are coming. Go back. How much you got in the this one GST? 11. And the banking?
Banking 9.
And this one inequations? 11. 11, 9, 11. Next will be 9.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. All of you done now? Completed this one? Now look here. Once again, when the word problem comes, Nehal, don't worry. Okay. So, word problem comes in. What is happening there now? Yeah, okay. Word problem comes. You have to write the final answers. Okay. Final answer should be written. It's not that value of X is equal to. All of you take this on page number 53. 53 only is there in front of you now. Okay. Question number 9. There only previous year only are 9, no other 9, no. All of you do it. 9 question. All of you do the 9th one. Where is the attendance sheet? No, you are keeping with you. Give it back. You sign now. Hello. I have given the question to solve. Do you know which question to solve? Start solving now. Mehul, go one bench behind. Whose volume is that one? Mehul, where is your volume? Where is? And Rudra, where is your volume? Preet, you started solving? You know which question to do? Achha, you all don't have the volume. They take it out and solve. Wait, huh? Take it from your back and start solving. Ranveer is all trying to solve and you're talking to them. I'll ask you to do it on the board. Then. You signed. You have signed. Then give it now. You everyone search, everyone's signature. You sign and pass it. I will check everyone's signature. Okay. You signed. I want the answer from you. Done. All of you be quiet now. Priyanshu, what are you looking around there? Om, what is it? Why combined volume out? Keep it on the top and see. Rudra got the answer. How many of you found the equation? Three people, 4 people. Rudra, stand up. Why are you looking here and there? He is calling. He is reading for you. Shardul from the equation? Not getting. Anyone got the answer? You all of you stop writing now. Enough, enough. What? Did you hear Bilal? Now listen, all of you. Shh. You know the question is given from where? Previous year board questions. And we have done. Stop writing now. Nail. No. This one we have done 4 exercise around. You have done with the class itself. We have done around 4 exercise. Maybe for 30 or 35 questions are done. And even you people did almost 15-20 questions at least at home as homework. That means around more than 50 sums we are done. Still, you are unable to make the equations. It's not this easy. I am not given the very easy question and all. You know, these board questions only. So you need to practice this one, word problems. Analyze the question and practice. Read the question. Once again, let's analyze and do. Yes.
A shopkeeper purchases certain number of
So certain number of books for rupees 960. Okay. Here, be quiet now. Yes.
if the cost per book was rupees 8 plus, the number of books that could be purchased for rupees 960 would be 4.
Okay.
Write an equation taking the original cost of each book to be X and solve it to find the original cost of the book.
Then how did you get that number of books equal to X? Did you read the question at least? What is the question that is given? What is to be taken as X? Please don't shout unnecessary the things, okay? So original cost per book is equal to how much? X rupees. Therefore, number of books. How much you will get number of books? Number of book is equal to 960 upon X. So you have to, according to the question, if it is X, variable is assigned, means the same way you have to do. If not assigned, yes, you can take the number of books as this one. Now, next is, if cost of each book could have been 1 rupee, 8 rupees less. So therefore, then cost per book will be equal to how much? X minus 8. Okay. Therefore, number of books is equal to 960 upon X minus 8. That this new number of books will be how many? How many books more? 4 more. So this new number of books is 960 upon X minus 8 will be original number of books, that is 960 upon X plus 4. This is the equation you have to get. This 4 may be this side or that side. This should be the equation. Check how many of you got this equation formation. There is no other formation. You may be sides are interchanged, that's all. Because it's clearly specified X is given. Understood? So 960 upon X minus 8 is equal to 960 upon X plus 4. Once if you get this one means, then you can solve. Are you followed? Okay, so check what is it. Now tell me what is your doubt. This way you have to analyze. If X is given, number, then change it, and after that. Steps if you need, I will explain once again. Does anyone need an explanation? No. Shardul, you have followed? So you can solve it now. Bring that 960 upon X to the other side and take the LCM. So x square minus 8x minus 1920. This equation you got? You check once the condition gets, the remaining are easy really. It's not that too, if you know that taking the LCM and all. Huh? Yes or no? What is this 1029 and all that? This one, all of you do it by quadratic formula. Well, all I ask you, all of you do it by quadratic formula. Those who did by factorization, redo it by quadratic formula. Let's try, otherwise you'll forget. Will you able to get or not? Because sometimes, you struggle for factorization, then check whether you will be able to get. If they mean, then we will solve, no? You could not frame the equation. Yes, answers are not coming from you nowadays. When GST inequalities and all, you used to give the answers. Now, not your part. Utilization is somewhere else. Are you? Now, why you looking at my face? Before quadratic formula is on my face. Huh? Who is that 8, sir? B square minus 4AC. I have seen 5 different B square minus 4AC. There are 774, 8320, some, yeah, source are minus negative, no solution. 7744. You got B square minus 4AC? How much? Huh? Root? What is B square minus 4AC as? Root nikala. How? Pata nahi. B square minus 4AC. Look here, 7744. If you are unable, yeah, listen, unable to get this, I mean just one factorization, do you know, you will be able to. So you will get as how much? 4 you can take it also. Yes or no? Or 11 you can take. 11 shall come. So how much you will get as? 1, 9, 3 and 6. Okay. Okay. If you want to take one more 4, you can take it as 4 4s are 16, 8, 4, 22. Whichever convenient one, or look at here, it is coming as 11. So 2 11s you take, the remaining automatically. You to reach. It's not need of 2 2 2 2 is going on. Other way, listen, this is one way. So therefore root is equal to x equal to 8 plus or minus how much you'll get? 22 into 4, 88 upon 2 into, okay, that is equal to 96 divided by 2 or minus 80 divided by 2. Okay, that is 48 or okay, problem. Yeah. Generally, most of the, look here, where word problems comes, all of you listen. Word problems comes, most of them will be a perfect square. If the perfect square, how to identify whether it's a perfect square? Possibility of perfect square. Ending with 2 zeros. Yes or no? Then, and forget about 0. Ending with 1. Perfect square possible? Yes, because 1 square is 1. Ending with 2. Perfect square possible? No. 2 is not. Ending with 3, perfect square possible? No. Ending with 4, perfect square possible? Yes. Okay. Ending with 5, perfect square possible? Why not 5 square, 5 square 25 na? Okay. Ending with 6, perfect square possible? Yes. Ending with 7? No. Ending with 8? Any square ending with 8? No. End with 9? Yes. Okay. Now look here. Another way. What is 10 square? 20 square? 30 square? Okay. So 40 square? 50 square? 60 square? 70 square? 80 square? 90 square? Okay, that means you got. So this is between, this number is between 80 and 90. Yes or no? Now check which is ending with 4. 4 means which one? It can be 82 or 4 4s are 16, no? 88. Check that way also. There are shortcut ways are there to find out. Understood or not? If it is perfect squares. There, so these are different ways are there. So try to identify. The best way is this way, 1 or 2 factorization you do it and then automatically you'll get, if not getting, okay, that is all. Okay, now today not happy with the performance of most of you, not most of you, all of you. Quadratic equation also, I expected at least some people will do 3 questions. I wasted my 15-20 minutes. Who did 3 questions? You are showing me a hand slip. Slowly, slow and yeah. Nishta, got the answer? Which one? This one. Yeah. Om, what discussion is going on? Quadratic equation. Okay. So this quadratic equation done. So homework exercise of what is left out now? 6.4. This Sunday any test is announced? Maths is announced? No. Okay. Okay now. Listen. Can close your volume. Now we will start with a new chapter. Okay. Listen. All of you be quiet now. All of you be quiet now. Shh. We generally, I used to start always the chapter is trigonometry. We not started it because the difficult chapter generally we do it. Generally, because this year's trigonometry is not come like last year. Identity is proving and all. It's a little complicated. Now, okay. So we have to do that one chapter because why means you need to practice a lot in that one. Now, since this one, first let me complete the topics for your this one, term 1. Okay. After that, we will do the chapters, whichever, if it is more, it is there, means we'll do it. And other schools also, if any topics are there, tell me this one, then I will explain that one. First,
Sir.
yes, who's that?
Can we start matrices?
Oh, okay, I heard. Okay. All right. Okay, how many, which are the chapters for you for the exams? Kaushal?
All the chapters are done except
full.
matrices.
Okay, except matrices is easy now. You know how to do now? Don't know. So don't believe now. 80% you will get the mark.
Yes, sir.
Good. So consider that as full mark. Okay. Because you don't know matrix, no? Okay. Chalo, let's, since he said, since long time, since 2 weeks he is telling matrices. Okay, matrices. What is there you what something great thing you'll get to? No. Yeah. Whenever we do, listen all of you. Close the volume and listen. Whenever do the stop talking. Whenever we do the EC chapters, most of the people, those who are getting 90 above, out of 100, those who are getting even 99, where is the mistake means? The mistakes has happened from the EC chapter. Always, you can ask any of them, where is your 1 mark on? Where is your 2 mark on? There is gone from the simple. Sir, this matrice we saw everything was easy. Probable that the chapters come, probability, their mistake. Mean, median. These are the things are coming. So here, be careful. Don't think that easy chapters are okay like that only. you have to be careful. Okay, so that is one condition. Then addition, subtraction only, normal addition, subtractions and multiplication only. There itself make mistakes. So first is about, in this chapter, we are going to study about what types of what is matrix, types of matrices. Rudra, stand up, go behind. Go behind to the girl side. Fast. Book is still there. I have to remove 10 pages or not, I have to decide. Now, so we have types of matrices you will study. That type also, it's very important one. Why I'm telling again, it's this year. Previous years, not that much important, but still this year, because your MCQs and all are there. So these all types comes, it's very important one. Then there identify matrices. Then the operations comes, basic operations, addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication and multiplication. These are the parts coming. These, other than the multiplication, remaining things, even if I don't tell also, you can read and understand. That much it's easy. Only the one difficult area is, that little difficult area, it is multiplication. Okay. Multiplication, you have to be careful. Quite a lot of people make mistake. That is only the thing. Matrix. Okay. So far we are doing is, certain numbers, additions and all. This is a set of numbers, how to operate together. Okay, a collection of numbers, how to operate together. There are 4 numbers are given, 6 numbers are given, like that, how it is operating together, how to simplify and all. Matrix or matrices. Singular is coming as matrix. Matrix spelling all of you know. M-A-T-R-I-X. This is called matrix. Okay. Plural is coming as matrices. CES. Okay. So matrix, matrices. Now listen carefully. All of you can close your volume, textbook and listen. Bilal, sleeping time is not started. Now, matrix means rectangular arrangement of numbers. Rectangle means you have to arrange what? Lengthwise and breadthwise. Lengthwise is called row. Breadthwise is called columns. Okay. And so rectangular arrangement of numbers. So rectangular arrangement means in the shape of a rectangle, to numbers arranged in length. Suppose if I write 3 minus 1, 0. Number, if you want to repeat, repetition also is there. 5, 2, minus 2. And enclosing in a square bracket. Rectangular arrangement of numbers enclosed in a square bracket. That is called a matrix. What is a matrix? Rectangular arrangement of numbers enclosed in a square bracket. Now, if in one row, if there are 3 numbers, numbers are called elements. Every row, it should have the same number. There is no gap, nothing is there. Okay, here 3, here 2. Or in one column, there are 2 numbers are there, 2 elements are there. Every column, they have same 2. Is this clear? Okay. So, this contains how many things, and matrices are denoted by the letters are capital letters A, B, etc. So how will you read as this one? Matrix A is equal to, or A is equal to matrix. Now, generally I will read always row wise. Okay, there is no specific rule of reading and all, row wise. And remember, there is no common comma and all. Separation is not there, space only. 3 minus 1, 0. Then 5, 2, minus 2. Are you followed? So what is a matrix? Rectangular arrangement of numbers enclosed in square brackets. Okay, that much is clear. Now, immediately comes as order. Order of the matrix. For that one, you have to find out how many rows and how many columns. How many rows are here? 2 rows and 3 columns. So it is denoted by, we read as 2 by 3. means 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, if order is given 4 by 1, what is the meaning? 4 rows and 1 column. Are you followed? Yes. You have any problem? Okay. Now, this is the one. So 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. Ranveer, in this matrix, what are the elements of the third column? 0 and -2. What are the elements of the second row? 5, 2, -2. Are we followed, all of you? Identify. Yes. Pushkaraj, elements of second row column. -1 and 2. Okay. Identifying, there is no problem. Okay. Yes. Rudra, what are the elements of the second column? Second column. -1, 2. All of you followed, identified. Okay. Now look, if the order is 2 by 3, it contains 2 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, total number of elements is 2 into 3, 6 elements are there. Okay. How many elements are there? 6 elements. Now, next is immediately remember 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 are not same. It is entirely different. What is the meaning of 3 by 2? 3 rows and 2 columns. It's interchange and get. Okay. Understood, all of you? That is the first case it is coming as. Now, next is, if this number of elements is equal to 6 elements, we said no. 6 elements. If it is given 6 elements, you cannot identify which type of matrix. Means order. 6 elements can be 1 by 6, it can be 6 by 1, it can be 2 by 3, can be 3 by 2, can be. They all contain 6 elements. Are you followed or not? Okay. So, whereas order, you have to check what is the order, then identify the matrix. Yes. You will see that there is a row, one row, let's say 2, -1, 4, 8. How many elements you wrote? 2. Okay, 0. What is the order of this matrix? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by 6. Are you followed on of you? Okay, that is the way it is coming. 1 by 6. Clear? Any other confusion? Okay. Now, we are give the how we identifying the elements. 3 is the first row, first element. First row, first element. -1. First row, second element. The elements are denoted by A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, and so on. Now, what is the meaning of A11 means? First row, first element. A22 means second row, second element. A23 means, are we followed or not? Okay, sure. What is 823 over here? -2. A13. A13 is equal to 0. Sophie, A21. 5. Understood now? Now, next is it A12 and A21 are same thing? No. A12 means what? First row. And this one. If I write Aij, there I means I represent for row, J represent for column. Okay, so listen all of you. A23, what is the meaning of A23? Second row, third element. What is the meaning of Aij? Means ith row, jth element. Or I means maybe I value maybe if it is 4 and j value is 2 means A42. Now, what is this? This one, this matrix is.
Can you explain?
Now, look here.
I haven't followed.
Now, the same thing you can
Sir.
write. I am explaining. Listen. Okay. The same thing you can write as this way. A is equal to matrix Aij of order 2 by 3. Listen carefully, what is the meaning? A is a matrix whose elements are of the form which one? Aij. Its order is 2 by 3. Means there are how many rows are there? 2 rows and 3 columns are there. That means this will be same as first row. Value of I can be 1 or 2. Value of j can be 1, 2 or 3. 3 columns are there. Therefore, first row how do you write? A11. Then next is what? A12, A13, A1. No A14 because it is 3 only. Next is A21, A22, A23. Over. That is. Are you following now? Suppose if it is given as another matrix, B is equal to, let's say Bij, Aij or Bij, okay, of order 3 by 4. Bilal, you are Bilal, stand up. Give the matrix. You stand up there. Come, move to this side. You're sleeping or what? Generally, I see always in the second lecture, you are face. What time you sleep in the night? Or no time to sleep? Huh? I'll make you to sit down over there, okay? Huh? What time yesterday you slept? Did not. Until 2 o'clock, what are you doing? Huh? Coursework. Oh. Oh, oh. Next, if I see, I'll call your parents. Okay. Yes. Preet, tell me the matrix B. Bij means what? How many rows are there? 3 rows. And how many columns are there? 4 columns. And what will be matrix B? B11. Who is that? Can you hear what he's telling? If you have doubt, you tell me. So first row contains how many? B11, B12, B13, B14. Then B21 to B24. And B31 to B34. Are you followed now? What is Aij, Bij, etc.? Okay. Means its elements are denoted. That's all. Huh? Yes, B31, B32, B33, B34. All for 12 elements will be there. Understood all of you? Okay. Followed? Okay. Open your notebook. Write chapter heading. Matrices. Coursework, man, open the notebook. Coursework doing. Time pass doing. Huh? Studying or time pass? Right. Chapter heading written matrices. Matrices. Right. Below. Question? Written. Will right below. Matrix is a rectangular. Shh. What up? 208. 5. Right. Right. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. Rectangular arrangement of a numbers enclosed in a square bracket. Enclosed in a square bracket. Rectangular arrangement of numbers enclosed in a square bracket. Written. Matrices are denoted by capital letters A, B, C. Always matrices are denoted by capital letters. Okay, A, B, C, etc. Okay, and its elements Do you know what is the meaning of elements? The numbers belong to that one. Elements are denoted by small letters. Elements are denoted by small letters. Okay. Now below, order of a matrix is the number of rows by number of columns. By number of columns. Example, 3 by 4, 4 by 2. Okay, what is the meaning of 3 by 4? Okay, below one more, right? If the order is m by n, if the order is m by n, then there are m rows and n columns. There are m rows and n columns and a total of mn elements and a total of mn.
Sir, your voice is not coming. No, sir.
Now it is coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now write another one. Matrices can also denoted by. Matrices can also denoted by A is equal to matrix Aij of order, any order I can write 2 by 3. Aij, small letter Aij. What is the meaning? Namya, what is the meaning of this? How many? It's written now. Stand up, Namya. Read little more, tell now. If it is what he said is this much is I rows and 2 columns and elements of the form Aij. If it is written this way, this matrix contains 2 rows and 3 columns. Can you tell me what is A here then, Namya? A11. Okay. Over. Okay. Sit down. Listen, all of you. Now, whenever you write the matrix, look here. After writing, Snail is not listening. She is thinking, had your food? Now, after write, don't write the bracket and do it. After writing, write the bracket. You know what happens? So first we will write this bracket. Then you see 2, 3.
Sir, again your voice is not coming.
Of this matrix. What is the order of this matrix? Tell fast. Huh? 2:3. What is the order of this matrix? 3:2. Do you know how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. This matrix. I am not this one. Okay. Okay. Understood or not? Okay, write this. You wrote this one now. Means, below write means Me.
सर माइक्रोफोन का बैटरी खत्म हो गया.
Can you hear Kaushal now?
Yes, sir.
Where? Return the question. Construct a matrix Aij, matrix Aij of order 3 by 3, where Aij is equal to I plus 2j. Yes. Those who know got the answer. Those who don't know, I'll explain. Don't know. Try. If not, I will. Snail got it. Nishta. How many of you trying? At least try now. Don't need to open the book and search it. Who is that done? Search. Yes, what is your answer? Huh? Are you done means read the answer. Huh? Answer. Who got? Ramya. What is Namya? What is the answer?
A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, and A31.
That's all. No. Listen. All 5 minutes. Look, all of you here. Shh. That is not enough. Listen. But all of you stop talking and listen. I will not explain further. First of all, A is equal to. It is a 3 by 3.
Yes.
That means how many rows and how many columns are there? What she said is correct. A11, A12, A13. Then A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. That is not enough. Now we have to find out the values. Look here. What is the meaning of A11? I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1. So what will you get? 1 plus 2 times 1. What is the meaning of A13? 1 plus 2 times 3. What is the meaning of A34? 3 plus 2 times 4. What is the meaning of A31? 3 plus, are you followed? So, no. What is, look, substitution, you know what is the meaning? So, Aij means what? I plus 2j, that is given in the question. What is the meaning of A12? I will be replaced as 1, J will be replaced as 2. Replace 1 plus 2 times 2. Are you followed? What is the meaning of A13? I will be replaced as 1 and J will be replaced as how many? 3. So replace 1 plus 2 into 3. So that means here what is A11? What A11 will be what? 1 plus 2 into 1. What is the meaning of A12? 1 plus 2 into 2. And A13 is 1 plus 2 into 3. Are you followed now? Yes, still not followed? Okay, now A21 how will you get? I will be replaced as 2 plus 2 into 1. Then next one, 2 plus 2 into 2. Then 2 plus 2 into 3. You replace I and J. What is the meaning of A22? I is 2, J is 2. I is 2, J is 2. Then next is A31. What will you do? 3 plus 2 times 1. Are you followed? Yes. Now what is the meaning of A3, 2? 3 plus 2 into 2. Then A3, 3. 3 plus 2 into 2. Simplify and write the answer. What is it? 1 plus 2, 3. Then 5, 7. Next is how much? 4, 6, 8. Then next is what? 5, 7, 9. That is the final answer. Hope all of you followed. Yes. That is clear? Yes. Okay, so value substitute. No, yes, not followed. Doubt is there. Who was the doubt? Who was the doubt? Is it clear now? Yes. Another one. A is equal to Aij of order, okay, 2 by 2. Get the answer. Aij 2 of order 2 by 2, where Aij is equal to I upon 2j. First complete it, then write the question. Let's see who will be able to do. Pushkaraj. Those who got this answer, raise hand. 1 already raised, 2 already raised, 3 raised, 4 raised. Fraction key, don't need of decimal and not. Om, what is your answer?
1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Correct.
And this last answer is how much?
1 by 4, 1 by 2. Yes, by 1 by 1 by 2.
Correct. Those who did not get first is A is equal to, this is 2 by 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. A11, A12, A21, A2. Now find out anything is there given over here. Yes. A11 means I upon 2j. 1 upon 2 into 1, 1 by 2. Then next is what? 1 by 4. Then 2 upon 2. That is equal to 1. Are you followed? This is not followed, I will explain. Okay now? Yeah. Not followed. Huh? A12 means what? 1 upon 2 into 2. 1 upon 4. A21, 2 upon 2 into 1. 2 by 2, 1. A22, 2 upon 2 into 2. Cancel and 1 by 2. Is it clear? All of you? Yes? All of. Okay, last one. Okay, IJ. I repeat the question. Aij of what? Bilal. Shameless man. 14 years only, you are talking all these things. Not for you. Adults only. Do it. Bilal. Still talking. Already made a wrong comment. Then again you are doing a little. People are feeling cold while switch off the AC. So, one the AC. Who doesn't want the AC? Only one. Okay. You got the answer. You got the answer. Yes, Priyanshi. Sorry, Priyanshu. What? What is that? You got the answer, Priyanshu? Not getting.
Yes, sir.
Look here. How many of you are? Achha, you're done.
Yes.
How many are done? Yes, what is your answer?
2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, 9, 9, 6, 4.
Anyone else got the same answer?
Yes.
Getting the same answer. Okay, listen here. Listen carefully. This has to be. This I don't know whether it's correct or wrong. Look over here. This first of all you got it is 3 by 3 mean this one. Now what is given? Aij is equal to I plus j if I less than or equal to j and is equal to 3i when I greater than j. That means first one is A11. What which one? First or second one? First one because I am j, so it will come 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. Second one, what is the condition? I is greater than j. T is true or false? Wrong. I is less than j. So again it is coming over here. So it is 1 plus, or if you have to write this one once again, I'll write this is coming 1 plus 1, it is 1 plus 2. Again less than, so it is coming as 1 plus 3. Next one, 2 1 means I is greater than j, that is equal to 3 times I, 3 times 2. Then again it is equal to, that is coming as what negative? 2 plus 2. Then what is coming? 2 plus 3. This is greater. Greater means 3 into I, 3. Again 3 into 2. And the next one is 3 plus 3. Simplify, that is answer. Is answer got now?
Yes.
Yes. Huh? This is 3. So it is coming as 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, and 9, 9, 6. Okay, no problem. This only just for making the matrix and all. Okay. Now write the next one. Doubt is there. Tell her if you doubt, I'll explain. Which one? These everything is doubt or? Last one. Look, the condition is given. This has 2 conditions are given. Previous questions, it was only 1 condition was given. Here 2 conditions. If I less than or equal to j, the condition is I plus j. Now, A11 cat falls in this first category, equal to j. Then it is I plus j, 1 plus 1. Again, A12 again in the first category, I is less than, so it is again 1 plus 2. A13 in the first category, therefore it is 1 plus 3. A21, it is in the second category, I is, so it is 3i, 3 into 2. A22 means both are equal, so 2 plus 2. A23, first category, understood or not? Okay now? Next, types of matrices. Types of matrices. First one, square matrix. First one is square matrix. Word itself is clear.
Yes.
Square means is the number, right? If the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Square matrix. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. So what are the orders of the square matrices? 1 by forward 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 row and 1 column only, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, okay, n by n. Okay, right. One more. If a square matrix of order 3 means, square matrix of order 3 means its order is 3 by 3. Square matrix of order 3 means its order is 3 by 3. If order 4 means what is the meaning? 4 by 2. Or order n means n by n. Understood or not? Okay. Okay. Next word, I don't need to give a rectangular matrix. Okay, rectangle, rows and columns are there. Okay. Number of rows is?
Not equal to.
It's not necessary. Okay. Every square is also a rectangle. Okay. All the matrices are called rectangular matrices. Okay. Next one. Null matrix or zero matrix. Null matrix or zero matrix. Doubt. Null matrix or zero matrix. If all the elements of a matrix are zero. If all elements of a matrix are zero. Null matrix or zero matrix means if all the elements are zero and denoted by capital O. Denoted by capital O. Ranveer. Denoted by capital O. Now remember one importance. Is it a square null matrix? Is a square matrix? No. Null matrix is not necessary to be a square matrix. Okay. Elements should be zero. All the elements should be zero. That is all. Next. Diagonal elements. Not diagonal matrix. Diagonal elements. Diagonal elements. You will see there are 3 names for this one. Either simply diagonal elements or main diagonal elements or principal diagonal elements. All of them meaning is same. Okay. What does it mean? What is it? Diagonal elements, main diagonal elements, principal diagonal elements, all of them are same. Right. In a square matrix, elements A11, A22, A33, etc. A11, A22, A33, etc. are called diagonal elements. Are called diagonal elements. Or another way you can write or. In a square matrix, elements Aij where I is equal to j. In a square matrix, elements Aij where I is equal to j. Means I equal to j means what? A11, A22, same thing. Okay. Are you followed what is the meaning of diagonal elements? Yes. What happened, Vila? No, I will permit, where before that there are 5 people are asked to leave. You decided to go. Here. All of you look here. Yes. Nishta, what are the diagonal elements here? 3 and -1. A11 is 3 and A22 is equal to -1. It followed now? Yes. It's wrong. There is no diagonal elements for this matrix. What is written over there in a square matrix? Is it a square matrix? No. So there is no diagonal elements over here. Is it a square matrix now? So then diagonal elements are coming. What are they? Okay. How about this one? Is it a diagonal element? No. Listen. What is which element is one? A13. That is not 5 A31. This is not diagonal. The diagonal elements are this one. Are you followed? Diagonal elements. Clear? Yes. Okay. Next one. Diagonal elements. A first thing is check whether the matrix is a square matrix. Is it a square matrix? Yes. How do you know it's a square matrix? Number of rows equals to number. Then elements A11, A22, A33. They are called diagonal elements. This, do you know which element is this one? A13. That is not a diagonal element. This one, A31. Okay, this is not. Understood, all of you? Okay. Now, next is.
Sir, that 215 cannot be a diagonal element.
215. Where is 215?
2 minus 5 is 5.
This is not diagonal. Diagonals are this one. It's marked one. That's only. A11, A22, A33. Understood now? Okay. What happened? That while with my washroom duty, there are people. Break time was enough, no? How much time more is there? Not urgent, no? No emergency, no? Hello? What happened, Priyanshu? What happened, Priyanshu? Ah, yes. Fine. Fan, AC. Light, fan. Go ahead. It should not happen every time, okay? It's second lecture or first lecture also even. No. What happened? I think it's time. Yeah, tired. Okay, no problem. Next one. Right. Diagonal matrix. We wrote is diagonal elements, isn't it? Right. We'll write diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Did you write diagonal matrix? When you go and stand outside for half an hour looking around there, fan or AC is there in front of you? Natural. So now think this also is natural. When he fell down, there was fan was there. When fell down, the fan was there. Water was there, no? So we'll put some water. 2 minutes to relax now. Always shivering that way. Okay. Written, what is the question? Right. In a square matrix. In a square, heading written diagonal matrix. In a square matrix, if all non-diagonal elements, right? If all non-diagonal elements are 0. In a square matrix, if all non-diagonal elements are 0. In a square matrix, if all non-diagonal elements are 0, is called a diagonal matrix. What drama are you showing? And is full time you will be AC, in school also AC. Don't worry. Okay. We'll put a separate. Let's 5 minutes without AC and fan. Let's see whether he survives. If something happens, ambulance. Yeah. Listen here. Is it a diagonal matrix? Who said that no? Priyanshu? Because we will take everything opposite. Because it's like this. Yeah. Is it a diagonal matrix? Yes. Why it is a diagonal matrix? Over, no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you know me?
Yes.
Then what is it a diagonal matrix?
Yes. Yes,
How do you know?
because the non-diagonal elements are zero.
Before that,
Yes.
before that,
The number of rows, number.
it should be a square. First thing is you check whether it's a square. Then non-diagonal elements are zero, therefore it is a yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, sit down. Bilal. Bilal. No wonder they call you Panda, no? Yeah. Yeah, is it a diagonal matrix? Yeah, quiet, all of you be quiet. Yes.
Yes.
Is it a, yes, is it a diagonal matrix?
Yes.
Yes, no. Now listen.
Why?
What? Naomi tell,
Sir, it is.
he answer yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, so why not? Let's find out now. What is your feel? Answer is yes or no?
It's no.
It's no.
Because, element 3, it's not, it's zero. So-
Sit down. Now, sit down, listen now. Listen. Your statement says, what is a diagonal matrix? In a square matrix, all the non-diagonal elements are zero. What about diagonal elements? Can
It
be.
can be anything. It can be anything.
Okay, is it given diagonal element should not be zero?
No.
So this is also a diagonal matrix. Understood or not?
Yes.
So happy now?
Yes, sir.
Why don't people think it like that?
Everything is zero.
Everything is zero also, provided it should be a square matrix. Okay, then also it is coming as a. Release a little water. Will someday up in there, I will be going to color the and then we will be okay. Yeah. Everything is zero and square matrix, then it is also diagonal. Then diagonal matrix as well as diagonal matrix, no problem. Okay, problem solved. Okay, provided it should be a square matrix. So followed all of you. Next one, scalar matrix. Scalar. Let's see, scalar is. Scale vectors and scalars you got now.
Yes, sir.
Scalar matrix, right?
Yes.
Write down. But directing left man written. Not direction. Okay. I'll switch off AC again. No, right. If right, in a square matrix, if all non-diagonal elements are zero, and the diagonal elements are same. I repeat, in a square matrix, if all the non-diagonal elements are zero and the diagonal elements are same, then it is called a scalar matrix. Okay. Next, below, every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. Written?
Yes.
Vaishnavi, standard. I have written one matrix on the board. What type of matrix is this one? Only all of you put a hand up. Every question I do not ask you, no, so you will be standing here. You like no? Okay. How do you come to know it's a scalar matrix? That it should be a square matrix and it should be a diagonal matrix. That is enough. No. Diagonal elements should be same. That diagonal matrix means already non-diagonals are zero. So three conditions. Look here. Three conditions comes as over here. First is square matrix. Diagonal elements are same. Diagonal elements are same. Non-diagonal elements are zero. Okay. This if you classify the matrix. This is square matrix. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is scalar matrix.
Yes,
This is the diagonal. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay, so identify means this way you have to identify. Okay, no problem. Scalar matrix, all of you follow.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Unit matrix or identity matrix. Right. Unit matrix or identity matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix. Written. Unit matrix or identity matrix. Write down. In a square matrix. In a square matrix, if all diagonal elements are 1, diagonal elements are 1, number 1, and non-diagonal elements are 0. Diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. Written and denoted by the letter I. Capital I. Denoted by I. Unit matrix of order 3 by 3 or 3. Okay, look here. Now look. So example also right. How about this one? How about this one? Unit matrix or not?
Yes. No, sir. No, sir.
Later down the list. No.
Yes, sir.
Stand up. What is the order of this matrix?
1 by
1 by 1. What about the diagonal elements?
The diagonal elements, sir.
In this one, what are the diagonal elements? 1. Non-diagonal elements. So then why it is not an identity matrix? Because no cos. Cos, tell na. Let me hear the cos. 0 is not. So 0 is there only. So here there are 3 zeros. There are 2, 4, 6 zeros. When I write here, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Then what? There are 2 ones. This is there should that is not reason it tell.
Sir, diagonals are not there.
Diagonal. So what is the diagonal element of this matrix? Is it a square matrix or not? Yes. What is the diagonal element? What is it? Which element is this one? Which element is this one? A1 no. So that is the diagonal element now. If there are non-diagonal, then only you have to see now. This is an identity matrix. Okay. How? Diagonal. So here what here? Look here. Diagonals. How many are there? How many are there? 3. So diagonals only there. Diagonal cannot be.
How 1 dot can be diagonal?
1 dot can be diagonal. You are drawing a geometry yesterday. Yes. Logically, you are doing geometry line segment. You are joining. What do you mean by diagonal elements?
Sir, the diagonal elements. I see.
This is identity here. This is identity matrix of order 2. Identity matrix of order 3. Identity matrix of now. Listen. Whenever you see I2, if I see anywhere I2 means what is the meaning? Identity matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay. Understood or not? And I3 means this one. Clear all of you? Okay. These all 3 are identity matrix are there. Okay. This is called I2 means identity matrix of order 2. I3 means what? Generally somewhere, Priyanshu, I further no discussions here. To you I am telling you, since long time you are looking here and there and going on. Further discussion. Now, yeah. Otherwise I have to ask you questions now. Now, identity matrix is coming as which are the identity matrix is coming. You have to see that is it a square matrix. Then second one is what? Diagonal means are what? Non-diagonal means are zero. Okay. If it is non-diagonal means are not there, means you don't need to check. Is there any non-diagonal element?
No.
Can you tell a non-diagonal element which is not a? Hello, is there any non-diagonal? Stand up there still. How to identify with this one? Identity matrix or not?
Non-diagonal.
So which is so yeah. Why it is not an identity matrix? Non-diagonals are not zero. So how to identify whether non-diagonal, is there any non-diagonal which is not a zero? Tell me now. Is it a matrix first of all? Tell me.
Yes.
So that means is agreed. Is it an unit square matrix?
Yes.
Yes. Is it an identity matrix?
No.
Why reason? If then how did that matrix is come? Is it a square matrix? So then one by one now. Hello. Which is a non-diagonal when which is not a zero? Then that is hello, whichever is there you have to take in this one. Hey, hello, hero. What is the A13 over here? Not so. Then why are you thinking about the A13? What is the A12 over here? Where is the what is the A12 over here? Not there, so you don't see what is there you have to see now. What is not there, what do you have to see? Understand?
Yes, sir.
What is it? I do mean that for identity matrix of order. Yeah, listen all of you. Listen. Stop talking. Yes, who else have the problem? Doubt? No. Huh? Everything. Yeah, be quiet now. Yeah. Everything is zero. Yes, scalar matrix also. Yes, good question he asked. Look here, if it is coming as this one. Which matrix? Who asked you to move from there?
Null matrix.
Go back to your place. Yeah. I think null means in a spring action is there. Or what type of question? Yeah. Homework part I have given to you. What are the equations?